Well, today we're going to crawfish boil down at the cabin. Mama is sick. She's got a little bit of a bronchitis. And it's just me and her today. Can't forget Maya down there. So, let's go do that. I'm trying to remember the last time we were here. I can't remember. God. Thinking real hard. Ugh. See, this is why I make these videos. You can't remember. We're here. Stanky. Well, open. On the wrong side? I am on the wrong side. That works. Out. They're gonna drop the crawfish at 1, right?
Yes, I would put the burgers on at 12:30. Will you take? Okay, I'll put the tray back down.
Hi.
This tea is ready.
Okay.
And then I'll have lemonade to take down in a little bit.
All right. There it goes. About to cook some burgers. Gotta go inside Byron's Bar and Grill. You want these? That's appropriate right there. Yes. Well, gotta wear this. Perfect. There you go. Gotta tie a bow in the back. See if I can do this without looking. Ah! Look at that. Professional. Let's get them on the grill. Wait! Can't put anything on the grill without this. Yep. Ooh, that's way too far. That got us hot. Look at that beautiful lines. Beautiful. It's probably not ready to turn, but I'm turning it. This one. Give it a bit. What you up to, Maya? Huh? What you up to? Just smelling around, getting all smells in. Yeah? Okay. You have them to cook? Say yes. Yes.
He's being mean. Tell him he's being mean. He didn't give Maya a burger.
I'm getting there. Bird. Huh? Did you get your water? Look. Wow. Oh, don't do what I did. Go in your mouth.
You're gonna tell her something now.
Sit. You know how to sit. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? Can you spin? 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 Good job. There you go. You get a whole burger. You met Madeline yet?
Hello. How are you? I have not met her yet.
That's right.
How old are you?
She is almost 2.
2?
Yeah.
Whoa. Huh? Yeah? I like your shirt. Your flowers.
Austin, I already put sunscreen on her.
Yeah, I remember. Maya. Remember Maya?
Maya.
You see Maya?
There's an old girl now.
Oh, yeah.
Look at you. How old is she?
She's 12 now. It's been a while.
Oh, yeah. You like me because I got sausage. Yeah, it has.
Oh, no. Put it back. Put it back. Stay. Keep him right there, okay? All right? I got you. I almost left the soldier behind. Found him. Someone left him behind. He goes in my front pocket. Woo! Woo! And go higher? Higher? Maya. Maya, yeah. Maya's right there. Yeah. Woo! I'm gonna start twisting here in a second. Woo! Huh? Good throw. Good throw. You ready for your nap? Yes? I heard a yes.
To the left of the flag.
Oh, that's not a dog. That's a splinter.
It's a cat.
Pomeranian.
No, just landed.
Now push it!
Push. I already pushed you.
I'm done now. I quit.
Where's Ashley's kids?
I have no idea. I think they're scared of people. Crawfish bowl is pretty much over. It's alright. She's still napping.
Oh, girl, honey.
All the other kids are.
Tammy, Richard, this is Kelly and Jen.
These are long time friends back in Houston, so.
Well, yeah, we can smell the, I just got it.
Oh, you guys are crawfish eaters though, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
we're going to get burgers.
Okay, yeah, there's food.
Balcony. Up the balcony.
Keep going, keep going. Is it good? Yeah? Do you like it? A few bites on it, that's good. Well, that's all I got. Bye.